are you?
I am fine, Nafisa Nashwa.
What's your name?
I am fine, Nafisa Nashwa.
In which class you?
UKG.
Okay, very good. Say the names of any 5 prophets.
Adam Nabi, Nuh Nabi, Ibrahim Nabi, Ismail Nabi, Ishaq Nabi, Yaqub Nabi, Yusuf Nabi.
Okay, very good. Say the names of months in Arabic.
Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awwal, Rabiul Thani, Jumadal Awwal, Jumadal Thaniya, Rajab, Sha'ban, Ramadan, Shawwal, Dhul-Qa'dah, Dhul-Hijjah.
Okay. Recite Surah Al-Kawthar.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inna a'tainakal kawthar fassalli rabbika wanhar inna shani'aka huwal abtar.
Very good, mashallah. Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Fine, alhamdulillah.
What is your name?
Binaz Muhammad.
Okay. In which class you study?
LKG.
Okay. Say the names of months in English.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Mashallah. Say the names of months in Malayalam.
Chingam, Kanni, Tula, Ishigam, Denam, Nagaram, Kumbam, Meenam, Medam, Idavam, Midunam, Karkadagam.
Okay. Say the names of months in Arabic.
Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awwal, Rabiul Ahad, Jumadal Awwal, Jumadal Ahad, Rajab, Sha'ban, Shawwal, Dhul-Qa'dah, Dhul-Hijjah.
Okay. Who is your first prophet?
Adam Nabi.
Mashallah, very good. Jazakallah khair. Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
I am fine, alhamdulillah.
What's your name?
Aisha Tafilda.
In which class you study?
UKG.
Okay. What do we say when we visit a patient?
Bismillah. La basa. Tahur. Inshallah.
Very good. What we say before starting?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri.
What do we say before going to bed?
Bismika Allahumma ya bahmut.
Very good, mashallah. Jazakallah khairan.
Amin.
Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you?
I am fine.
What is your name?
My name is Mariam.
In which class do you study?
LKG.
Okay. What we say before entering the toilet?
Allah. Bismillahi Allahumma inni a'udzubika minal khubuthi wal kaba'isi.
Yes. What we say before going to bed?
Bismika Allahumma amutu wa ahya.
Okay. Recite Surah Al-Falaq.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul a'udzu birabbil falaq min syarri ma khalaq wa min syarri hasidin idza waqab wa min syarri naffasati fil 'uqad wa min syarri hasidin idza hasad.
Very good, mashallah. Jazakallah khairan.
Amin.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
I am fine.
What is your name?
Furqan Islam.
What is your name? Your
Fatima Batul. Batul.
Fatima?
Batul.
Fatima Batul. Okay. In which class do you study?
LKG.
LKG. What do we say when board a vehicle?
Subhanallazi sa'alana haza wa ma kunna lahu muqarrin wa inna Pina, Namunkalibun.
Okay, say the shahada.
Asyadu wa la ilaha illallahu wa asyadu amma Rasulullah.
Very good. What we say to thank someone.
Jazakallahu
Jazakallahu
khair.
khairan. Okay, very good. Mashallah.